Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make users in Tally Prime. User management is crucial for maintaining data security and controlling access to your financial information. To begin, simply navigate to the company menu within Tally Prime. From there, you will find the Users and Passwords option, which is your gateway to setting up and managing all your user accounts. Let's dive right in and get started with the first step. Once you are in the User Management section, the next step is to define your security levels. Tally Prime offers several predefined security levels, but you also have the flexibility to create entirely new ones tailored to your specific needs. Each security level allows you to assign precise permissions and restrictions, ensuring that users only access the features and reports relevant to their roles. This granular control is key to robust data security. Now that your security levels are set, it's time to add new users. For each new user, you will need to enter a unique username and create a strong, secure password. It is vital to link each new user to an appropriate security level you have already defined. You can also enable or disable specific company access for each user, providing even more control over their permissions within Tally Prime. This ensures everyone has the right access. Finally, managing user access is an ongoing process to ensure continued security. You can easily modify user passwords or change their assigned security levels whenever necessary. If a user no longer requires access, you have the option to deactivate or completely delete their account. Regularly reviewing user access helps maintain data integrity and strengthens your overall security posture within Tally Prime, keeping your financial data safe and sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.